welcome back to the channel. My name is Naman, and in this video we are going to cover CHE 110 Unit 3 30 MCQ questions that can be asked in your exam. But before starting the video, this is a request that if you find this video helpful, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel for further more such content. So let's start the video. 1. Species with a small population that are not currently endangered but are at risk are often termed option A rare species, option B dominant species, option C extinct species, option D invasive species. So the correct answer is option A rare species. Question number 2. What does the acronym H stand for in conservation biology? So the correct answer for the question is option A. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of in-situ conservation? Option A Zoological Garden, option B Jane Bank, option C Botanical Garden, option D National Park. The correct answer is option number D National Park. The correct answer is option number D National Park. Question number 4. Conservation of biodiversity outside the natural habitat is called option A ex-situ conservation, option B in-situ conservation, option C on-site conservation, option D natural conservation. The correct answer is option A. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of acute conservation? Option A Scat Grove, option B Seed Bank, option C Wildlife Sanctuary, option D Biosphere Reserve. So the correct answer is option B Seed Bank. Question 6. Cryopreservation uses liquid nitrogen to preserve germplasm at a temperature of option A 0 degree, option B -50, option C -196, option D -100. So the correct answer is option C. Question 7. How many biogeographic zones in India are divided into? Option A 5, option B 15, option C 10, option D 8. So the correct answer is option C 15. Question 8. Which biogeographic zone covers the largest area in India? Option A desert, option B island, option C Deccan Peninsula, option D Himalayas. So the correct answer is option C Deccan Peninsula. Question 9. India is considered a mega diversity nation because option A it has high industrial growth, option B it has the largest desert, option C it has a large human population, option D it possesses a high percentage of global biodiversity. So the correct answer is option D. Question 10. Species found only in a particular region and nowhere else area are called option A pandemic species, option B exotic species, option C endemic species, option D cosmopolitan species. So the correct answer is option C. Question 11. The red data book is published by which organization? Option A IUCN, option B WWF, option C UNEP, option D UNESCO. The correct answer is option number A. Question 12. The fragmentation of large forest into smaller patches primarily affect option A species requiring large territories, option B invasive species, option C aquatic life, option D microorganism. So the correct answer is option A. 13. Which of the following is a vulnerable species in India? Option A blue rock pigeon, option B domestic dog, option C one horned rhinoceros, option D house crow. So the correct answer is option C. Question 14. Lantana camera is known as option A endangered serps, option B keystone species, option C medicinal herb, option D invasive weed. So the correct answer is option D. Question 15. Scared groves are an example of option A government zoos, option B botanical garden, option C acute conservation, option D community based institute conservation. So the correct answer is option number D. Question 16. Which of these is not a level of biological diversity? Option A genetic diversity, option B industrial diversity, option C ecosystem diversity, option D species diversity. So the correct answer is option B. Question 17. The Project Tiger was launched in India in the year option A 2000, option B 1992, option C 1980, option D 1973. So the correct answer is option D 1973. Question 18. Informational value of biodiversity refers to option A genetic data for future engineering, Option B, tourism revenue. Option C, wood for timber. Option D, religious belief. So the correct answer is option A. Which biogeographic zone of India includes the Thar Desert? Option A, desert zone. Option B, Gangetic Plain. Option C, Deccan Peninsula. Option D, the semi-arid zone. So the correct answer is option A, the Deccan zone. 20. Alpha diversity refers to diversity. Option A, global diversity. Option B, over a total geographical landscape. Option C, within a particular community or ecosystem. Option D, between communities. So the correct answer is option C. 21st. Which act was enacted in India to conserve biological diversity and provide a mechanism for equitable sharing of benefits? Option A, Environment Protection Act. Option C, Biological Diversity Act. Option C, Wildlife Protection Act. And option D, Forest Rights. The correct answer is option number B. 23rd number question. The pink-headed duck is a species that is option A, invasive. Option B, endangered. Option C, presumed extinct. Option D, vulnerable. The correct answer is option C. 24th. Which of the following is a characteristic of a keystone species? Option A, it is always carnivore. Option B, it is an invasive species. Option C, its removal caused a collapse of the ecosystem. Option D, it is the most abundant species. So the correct answer is option C. 25th number question. Which of the following represents consumptive use value? Option A, gathering firewood for personal cooking. Option B, ecotourism. Option C, using snake venom for research. Option D, selling timber in the market. So the correct answer is option A. 26th number question. Which zone lies between the Trans Himalayas and the Gangetic Plain? Option A, the northeast. Option B, the Himalayas. Option C, the islands. Option D, the coast. The correct answer is option B. 27th number question. Beta diversity is a comparison of diversity. Option A, between ecosystem types. Option B, within a single habitat. Option C, globally. Option D, genetically. So the correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option A. 28 number question. The pangolin is often poached for its option A, teeth. Option B, tusks. Option C, horns. Option D, scales. The correct answer is option D. 29th. Carrot grass causes a threat to biodiversity by option A, B, C, D. So the correct answer is option A. 30. The aesthetic value of biodiversity is most closely linked to option A, mining. Option B, agriculture. Option C, pharmaceuticals. Option D, ecotourism. So the correct answer is option D. So this was the 30 questions that can be asked in your exam. I hope this video was very helpful. Thank you.